Dear students, the moment has come you have been waiting for. I mean, prize distribution. So I would like to invite Sheikh Hamza for Dars Quran, first position in Dars Quran. Sheikh Hamza, please come to the stage. Collect your medal and certificate with the hand of Honorable President. Zahiruddin, please come to the stage. Munir Alam, be ready. Munir Alam, please be ready. Second position in Dars Quran. Munir Alam, please come to the stage. He is someone who got third position in Dars Quran. Muhammad Afzal, first position in speech competition. Muhammad Ashraf, second position in speech competition. And Zahiruddin, third position in speech. Muhammad Ashraf, second position in speech competition. Zahiruddin, third position in speech competition. Yusuf Hassan, team leader of Islamic play. Please come with your team and collect your medals and certificates. Yusuf Hassan, Amir, Shadan, Mudassir, Mahboob and Sufyan. Muhammad Amir, Shadan, Mudassir, Mahboob and Sufyan.